As a powerful player in the field of electric vehicle charging stations, Green Tour boasts over 10 quality control personnel and 3 technical staff, with a monthly production capacity of up to 5,000 units. With advanced manufacturing processes and equipment, we are committed to providing customers with Type 2 and Type 1 charging stations that meet European and American standards, as well as customized solutions to meet local market needs. Our goal is to provide high-quality, high-efficiency products and services to build a safe, reliable and intelligent charging network. At every stage of production, we have strict quality control measures in place to ensure that each charging station is of the highest quality and safety standard. Our quality control personnel conduct multiple inspections during each stage of production to minimize any environmental impact. Our technical staff, with their extensive industry experience and technical expertise, can provide customers with the most professional technical support and solutions. Green Tour's products are widely recognized in the electric vehicle charging station industry and have been exported to more than 40 countries and regions. We will continue to provide high-standard and high-quality charging station equipment to meet market demand and promote the development of electric vehicle charging technology and the industry. Please contact with me, Sunny, WhatsApp, +86 180 5386 2877, email, sunny@avcharger.com.